Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my birthday look. So I'm starting out with my Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. This fluid has SPF 50 in it, and it also has antioxidants plus smoothing plant extracts. To set my T-zone area, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder mixed with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Starting off with my foundation base, I'm going to go in with the YOURE Forever Matte Foundation. Guys, I loved this foundation. It was perfect. It literally matched me perfectly. I used the color 4N. And it was literally amazing. Like, it blended into my skin like butter. This is my first time using it, and I'm never going back. Also, the brush that I'm using here, I got a very long time ago in Canada at an Asian store, so I really don't know how to access it anymore, but any regular foundation brush will do. The first concealer I'm going to go in with is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige, and I'm also blending that out with the Real Techniques 402 brush. The second concealer I'm going to go in with is also another Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. This shade is just to brighten up my under eye, to really give it that snatched effect. I really like a bright under eye. And I also let that dry down just a little bit so that it can stay in place. Period. Look at my nails. I did my nails. I'm a nail tech, guys. So if you're in Atlanta, make sure that you book me. I'm setting with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Again, I'll be using this powder throughout the whole video. Okay, so I was so upset because I forgot my bronzer. I don't even know where I put it. So I had to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I had to use milk chocolate to contour / bronze my face. Hashtag brows last. I always do my brows last. I love the look it gives. This has been a game changer for me and my makeup. So here I'm just going in with a ginger brow tint to match my hair and my brows that I previously dyed. And I'm also going to conceal on my brow bone, strictly on my brow bone, nothing else. I'm going to conceal with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate medium to full coverage in the color C1. This is a very bright concealer. I love a very bright brow bone. It just makes my eyebrows, my whole look pop, honestly. I love it, and I think you should do it too. Okay, after blending out my concealer with my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to go back into that Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and go in with milk chocolate on my crease and my brow area to like give that very contoured effect. And I'm also going to go in with Semi Sweet on my lid. Girl, this blush literally changed my life. This was my first time using this blush. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Divine Blush and Cherish, and oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. I've tried so many blushes. This is by far my favorite. It's so pink, it's so beautiful, it's so me. So after putting on a little bit more powder above my lip, I'm going to brush out my extensions so I can prepare for the liner process. So here I'm just putting on a black liner that I got from my local beauty supply store on my waterline. I'm also going to put it on my inner corner and my lash line. Blend. Now I'm just setting my lash line and my waterline with a black eyeshadow so that the black liner doesn't transfer on my lid or on my face makeup. Going back in with Semi-Sweet to blend out my waterline. Here I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Honestly, this mascara was okay. I'm looking for a really good waterproof mascara, so if you guys can comment a really good one below, I would love that. Yes, this is my favorite part, my lip routine. So here I'm going in with the NYX liner in Cocoa. Best liner ever. I can't even use any other liners. I'm hooked, I'm spoiled. I love this one. So here I'm just gonna overline my top lip just a little bit. I'm really not even overlining like that. It's just like really right on top of my lip that I'm drawing. So I'm going to go in with that, define my Cupid's bow and the sides of my lips, and I'm also going to go on the bottom lip, do a little split through the middle so it can have like that, you know, contoured effect, and also overline just a little bit on the bottom to give that really full look. Love this look. I didn't show my lip application because I was getting ready and I didn't want to smear my gloss, but I used the Pat McGrath Labs Pale Fire Nectar lip gloss, and it was so great. The formula was amazing. It wasn't too glossy, it wasn't too satin, like it was just perfect. I'm so happy that I finally got to try Pat McGrath Labs. You know, big up my girl, Jamaican, you know what I'm saying? Like, big ups to her. Love her products, love her formulas, just amazing. So this is the finished look. I loved it. My lace looks amazing, my makeup looks amazing. My dress was made by YOURE. Please go check her out. All the links in the description will be below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I had a great time. I went to MILA, Miami. This is my dessert cake that I got for my birthday. It was a Japanese cheesecake. It was amazing. It tasted so good. These are my nails. Amazing too. I did my nails also. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Please comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. I will be posting every week. I'm gonna try my hardest to post at least twice or once a week. I don't really have a set schedule yet, but I will soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something from it. Please comment and let me know what you want to see from me. You know, I'm open to everything. And yeah, thank you.